TSF will give their full support in a strike called by the TISF on 12 February on the demand of Roman script. TSF General Secretary Hamalo Jamatia said this through a press meet on Sunday at the Agartala Press Club. The TBSE and CBSE board examination is going to be conducted after a few more days. However, there has been a chaos and hot situation happening in the state of Tripura over this issue of Roman script to be written in board examination. TISF, TSF and RSKC organization has submitted a deputation to the TBSE board president over this issue. Meanwhile, TBSE president Dr. Dhananjay Gan Chaudhary has also announced that students can write the exam in Roman script also. However, the board chairman once again took U-turn and changed his decision, saying that the board exam will only be conducted in Bengali script only. Which is why several students' organization has requested the board chairman, if certain notification is not released within 11th February, they will organize a greater movement in coming days. However, no such notification was given by the board or the state government. As a result, the TISF has announced for an indefinite strike from 12th February in all the national highways and railways. TSF will also give their full support in the strike called by the TISF on 12 February on the demand of Roman script. TSF General Secretary Hamalo Jamatia said this through a press meet on Sunday at the Agartala Press Club.
Nirok sigu Chini Tripura hastewo temangi tong Jung kaisa clear message rogamusogo Jung January 25 bo Jung TBSE board of visit kaika Jung memorandum ya farka Je kok borok subject no Roman script by question paper set kaigan bal Amani pore ke Jung nukha TBSE board ni president bo sakhaje Je student Roman script by suinai borok affair khaijang nai hanoi Jung belai wana khamano nogoi boni bagai jung te waisa 5 February wo jung boro thangka kaisa agitation rokha TSF ni ngai jung board no request khaipika question paper no board script by set khaitheng hanoi haifana bo sakhaje taklai question paper Bengali script by set engkha haifana answer no engke Roman script by suima sinai hanoi boni bagai exam gana khaba jung asak pressure rolia sin students rok no jung asak pressure rogamu sugani bagai boroni kok khana gani jung phaika ni ramu jotono nukha haifana 6 tarik February ni horo midnight press meet khai jung nukha president board ni president tema saka Bengali script by simino suimanai among kaboni stand amoni ulo jung 9 of February was jung thangpika jung thangai jini last memorandum te warning jung rokhabono that kokbrok subject it should be set the question paper should be set in both the script Roman script te Bengali script jung bono deadline rokha mia zora haifana mungsa notification jung nuglia jung TSF kok rojak tongo mungsa jung notification phaliang ke jung TSF ni bukhaktei jung soba kotor sakhlainai hanai 9 of February one nero nukhana TISF borok press meet khai kaisa declare romani statewide road blockage indefinite ni bagai declare khaijaka 12 of February khanani simi jung TSF as a road blockage no jung full support khai jung TSF ni ngai jung full support khayo chini borok botongnai borono logero nai among ka chini decision haifana jung TSF ni ngai jung decision nakha jung road blockage by simi tongya gai Tripura haste ganangai nya khanani simi indefinite strike jung TSF ni ngai jung call khaiyo boni bagai Tripura haste ni lukorono jung koinai nirong ni support jung nango students rock specially Agartala pa pore de private school pa pore de ang nirong no koinai from tomorrow if you want to support us if you want to support the movement nirok school ta thangdi ang school authority rono bo koinai nirok support khaitai we are not fighting for ourselves we are fighting for our future generation and for our students amon nirok joto sithai schools rok jeng thangnai 28 August jeng nukha baksa school thangjak school khulok jak jeng nirok na appeal khainai private school phanang thung government phanang thung khanan ching nirok all movement participate khaigan bagai jeng khananai soba all movement nokho nokhaya office rokbo ang nirok no koinai ang joto Tripura hasini lukono koinai khana movement nirok ta khaidi fataro ta nokhadi nirok support khaidi all movement no jeng tini kirigei nogo tong tong khangkhe kirigei nini busarona school roh khangkhe a movement success deng no jengke nirok ni busani bagai je chini students porai tonai ron bai jeng fight khai tongo chini movement chini khorang ti saman ke ereng de ang Tripura hasin lukurno omo koinai nirok ni support jeng nago je mansak I appeal you all nirok no jeng mungsa saya just support simisi khaidi hine yang nirok no saga jeng TSF chini movement omo kedengma sal rongoi 50 years kai tongo jeng tangai tak jora bo maya jeng appeal khainai jeng jeman sak chini ngai jeng try khaine tongo CBSE board of chini delegation thangkha 9 February wo jeng malaika jeng request khaika question paper no roman script ni set khaiteng hnai TBSE board of jeng appeal khaika but Tripura government borok chini demand chini je khorang ti saman no borok khnalia boni bai jeng TSF bar request khaijak appeal khaijak jeng borno last warning 9 tarik rokha appeal bungkha te warning bur jeng rokha but jeng clearly nugu mungsa notification grei boni bai TSF we are bound to take this step boni bagai nirok nang students no specially students nirok all movement no support khaidi nirok sitak serenggai tong school college nirok nokhai angka seba nokhanai parents rok ta kiridi nirok ni chorai no rohodi baksa kiri jagai mana bude bujak no bude dera no jeng omono sanai jeng TSF ready tong nirok bagi fight khaigan boni bagai jeng ma nokhoro jeng tongmaya jeng wasogo nirok jeng nai singjak hnai boni bagai khana ni simi jeng indefinite strike jeng TSF nengi jeng call khaigo all movement no nirok ni support jeng nang jara buchiarok je kalai panna tonai rok nirok no jeng allowed khaine nirok lai manai amon chini appeal to na nirok tawana di any issue emergency issue rok tong khangke jeng amon permit khaine amon jeng notification rawana jeng notification rawana chini boro jaga jeng to Tripura haste ganang ni jeng strike da khoma ba chini joto jaga won tong nai but jeng nirok no notified khai rawana chini boro jaga picketing nai agot lang nai but particular jara jeng chongjaya jeng hati school office lama jeng strike means joto no close ma tong nai jeng bon ba ni appeal khai support khai ga ni bagai haifon jara khana kailai panda tong ha nirok no jeng laiga ni jeng opportunity ro nai ha nirok ta kiridi jeng buchi ge kailai panda ambulance ha serious issue jeng amorok no jeng permit khai ge movement khai ga ni ba jeng appeal khainai jeng je mansak chini ngai jeng appeal khainai ha strike da khokjak ba extend khaigen bagai jeng appeal khaigen chini TSF ni
Apart from TSF General Secretary Hamlo Jamatia, TSF Town Committee members were also present on this day at the press meet. Reported by Shalsang from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.